What up, though, viewer mares? This is your boy, Deathmare. And recently, I started uploading videos onto YouTube and becoming a content creator. After all, I'm unemployed, and I'm part skeleton, so, what am I supposed to do? But my friend over here,
Hello, viewer mares. It's your boy, Tally.
suggested to me that I should also try going live on Twitch. So, I said, okay, Twitch, that's where they play video games, right?
Yeah, but you can also do I.R.L.
So I asked, what is I.R.L? And Tally told me it stands for in real life. So I thought, yeah, sure, man, I'll try that. I like to ride my bike in real life, so I'll just go ride my bike. However, it did not go as I wanted it to go.
Hey, Deathmare, after this video, do you want to get high?
As usual, viewer mares, before we shed any light on what happened to me in my first I.R.L, we have to go in the...
Hey, I want to do it.
Okay. It looks like my friend Shorty wants to say the catchphrase.
Before we shed light, we have to go in the dark.
When you're in the dark, nothing really ever seems to be right. When you're in the dark, nothing really ever seems to be fine.
So, starting off, I decided to show off my sweet, cool bike. It's orange and black. It reminds me of the original Halloween movie starring Michael Myers. And it's pretty awesome. So I drove up here to the stop sign. I looked both ways. And then I turned onto the street so that I could swing back around and end up on the sidewalk. This sidewalk's kind of cool because it does go slightly downward. As you can tell, it really boosted up the speed I was going. Then I decided to turn into this somewhat empty parking lot, only because they had some cool Christmas decorations like the abominable snowman and just a regular snowman. He wasn't as abominable. Is that how you pronounce that? So what I did now is I turned down this path that leads me to the park. And as I'm going down this path, there was a bridge. So I got on this bridge. It took me over this pretty cool river. It almost made me feel like a giant, as if I was on the Ohio Bridge. And I stopped to just really take in all of this glorious nature. And even all of the geese that were out, too. I didn't stay with them that much, though. I left them alone. I wasn't trying to goose around or nothing. Very beautiful out. Then I turned around because I noticed off into the distance there was a bike park. A bike park, if you don't know, is kind of like, there's just a bunch of hills, like a little, like, if you think of like, the motocross people and what, they ride on, it's kind of like that, only this was made out of asphalt instead of just completely dirt. I don't know if they're all the way done with it, but they were done with the actual hills and the asphalt. So I got on, and wow, this was my very first time. So I started small. I went down these little humps. There's about a few of them. I didn't want to get too crazy now. I'm not a pro. So I felt accomplished with just going down the little humps. And then I went over to the other side where there was an entry to get onto the bigger humps. The bigger humps has like a blue line going across it. Now, I don't know if these colored lines mean anything as far as blue and orange. They probably do, and I just didn't know any better. So I'm going up these, and I kind of stop for a minute just because I don't know what I'm going to do after. And that's when I fell off of my bike. Shut up, you guys. Yeah. I got shat on, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Now it's time to go home. I guess this is what happens when you try to ride your bike in cold weather around Christmas time before it's Christmas. And with all of that darkness, I shed some light and washed my pants. And if you want to shed even more light, then go ahead and check out these two videos down below. Make sure to give your boy a like and a subscribe and a share. But remember, before we shed more light, we have to go in the dark.
When you're in the dark, nothing really ever seems to be right. When you're in the dark,